Okay, do it again.
Hi! Is that live? Là, moi là, ensemble avec Vanessa, je vais vous montrer comment vous faire épices haïtiens.
Haïtien.
So,
Vous parlez créole tout?
Of course.
God. Bac après anglais?
You can.
Non, je parle créole parce que tout le monde me parle créole.
Exactly.
Okay.
So, what happened to your Creole? You're Haitian.
Créole, moi, pas bien. Bac, je parle un petit peu créole. Petit. Parler, je connais haïtien, c'est haïtien, so that's all matters.
Okay. Est-ce que vous parlez pour faire épices là?
Oui, madame.
So, épices ça, petite moi, je vais vous dire, l'on fait épices ça, l'on fait manger avec, voici, là, il y a une fois que pot caillou, pour moi, tu calmes manger avec là.
What?
Tellement l'absence bon.
I'm ready.
Okay.
Yes.
So, pour faire épices là, on va besoin green, red and yellow pepper. So, nous allons laver, nous racher, nous mettons dans le bol ça à la cuillère. Et ensuite, on a besoin green onion. On a besoin garlic.
Peace.
Garlic, you dis l'ail en créole. Vous connaissez comment you dis l'ail en créole déjà?
No.
Okay.
Deja's my daughter. She doesn't want to. She's not filming, but she's back there doing the camera.
So,
let's show her real quick. She's gonna be mad because she's stuck and she can't do nothing about it. There she goes. All right. She's gonna kill me.
So usually, nous utilisons persil, bon choqué. Oops,
That's okay.
ça c'est ça lié. Mais on est dans le Japon, so japonais pas de persil, so on utilise le japonais. Shh, don't say anything. Et ensuite, nous avons utilisé l'huile et nous avons utilisé Maggi. Maggi. Et en plus, nous avons lavé tout bagage la cuillère. Nous avons juste mis tout bagage dans le blender. Ensuite, nous avons besoin d'un bocal là, fin blender tout bagage pour mettre dans le bocal là. Donc ça c'est tout bagage nous gagne.
So not parlé na Facebook Live, but not gay camera.
N'a regardé caméra tout. So si on nous regarder voici ça c'est Facebook blanc qui là. Et ou même caméra ça tout si on nous regarder voici là c'est caméra n'a regarder.
3, 4, combien?
5. Ça c'est au petit.
On va compter, oui. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Combien de monde qui live là? Hi everybody.
Hey. Hi. Pourquoi dire que mon non? Qui pas non? Qui pas YouTube your YouTube channel?
So my YouTube channel, I have a YouTube channel. Sous c'est haïtien ou parler créole ou ka aller sur YouTube channel moi qui c'est Cathiana official. Sur Facebook. Sur YouTube ou capable abonner ensemble avec chanel moi. On fait quelques bonnes petites vidéos de nous même là qui dans Japon, so ou capable aller sur YouTube, abonner avec chanel là pour capable voir vidéo.
And mine is my life in Japan, and it's my YouTube channel. So mine's basically talk about Vim, not Japan. So my life in Japan. La vie dans
Japon.
La vie dans Japon. Ok. La couper. Bon, ça sent plus bas ça, oui. On met de l'eau?
Non, on va mettre de l'eau. Si vous mettez de l'eau là, vous la faire sentir. C'est pour ça qu'il fait utiliser l'huile.
Ok.
Pour aider le blender.
Olive oil. I love olive oil.
I do too, but you don't even get on quality.
Okay.
If I would not fast this island.
I should have went shopping, guys. Yeah, I have enough oil. It's okay. It's okay. So when I know right now, what fair?
Yeah. So nous get tout bagay dans salade. Nous get green onion, the peppers, and the garlic. They're all in there. So what we're gonna do right now, we're just gonna add oil so he can help it like blend easily. So we're just gonna mesi. So she said ajouter until we.
So she's putting all this in the blender, the garlic, the peppers, and the green onions, and the onion and the oil is gonna blend everything to give a mixture. So I'm gonna translate for my American friends.
That doesn't speak Creole.
Yeah, that doesn't speak Creole. And of course, you too. Yeah.
And then Deja that doesn't speak Creole.
Yeah. Should I show her again? Just kidding. Deja, do you know any French or Creole words besides milk?
No.
Comment dit milk?
Leche?
Leche. Leche, that's fine.
I don't know. Oh my god. Y'all are making me embarrassed.
Leche is
Leche.
Ok, so nou gen tout bagay, nou gen Maggia nan sa. Lye, kom mwen te di nou deja, the green onion, the peppers. So mette l'huile nan la dan tout. So mwen pral blender, epi lèl komanse blender, mwen pral mette the cilantro.
Maggi, this is Maggi. This is chicken flavor.
Ready?
This is live. This is the real stuff right here. Look at that.
Epi nou kapab ale sou Facebook, pou edika tou, pou nou add mwen sou Facebook. Instagram Cathiana12, add mwen.
Smells good.
So as she's doing this, of course, if I know that I'm Vanessa, and basically this doesn't take long to do, so just pushing it down. We should have used a food processor that we had back there, but this was a little bit easier.
Easy to do. So all you have to do is just go to the supermarket, acheter tout ingredients aisle, get all the ingredients that I show you guys, and then wash them and chop them and then put them in the blender and you blend it. That's it. It's very easy. And then this, you can season your meat with it without any other seasoning. You just wash your meat and then just season it with it.
Alright.
Okay, now.
Ooh, it looks so good.
I feel like eating it like this.
I don't know.
It looks so yummy.
Can you eat like this? Let me try.
No, you can't.
I'm just gonna try. Let's see. Hey, let's see. Oh my god, it's spicy.
It's spicy?
Yes. Look at it. It doesn't taste bad. Oh my god, it's pretty good.
This is it, guys. looks so yummy. So I make this like almost every month.
Wow, every month? That's a lot.
So you just put it in the
Right here.
in this big container and then you put it in your fridge.
I might need two, huh?
It looks yummy. It tastes yummy, huh?
Yes. It tastes yummy. I mean, it's like you didn't put any salt in it, but it's seasoned. I'm gonna use this for later. All right, guys, look at this. Now we just put the top up. It's good to have this kind of jar to put it to save anything fresh you're making. It keeps it fresh. So let me ask you a question. I know this is your channel, and of course everybody's watching us here. But what made you want to start, you know, doing YouTube? You know, what made you, since we live here in Japan, what made you want to start doing it?
So back in the States, I mean, like at a younger age, I never thought about like doing YouTube or anything like that. But after I married my husband, and my husband is the type of person who like to explore, like go places that like, you know, he never been before. And then for me to go to all those places and so all those things that like, you know, that's around the world, not everybody have a chance, you know, to see them. So especially Haitian people. So that's what made me, I'm like, why don't I start a YouTube channel and then record some video in Creole so I can teach so I can show the Haitian people that's, you know, that live in either in Haiti or who doesn't have a chance to, you know, travel and see things. So I can show them around the world.
Yeah.
And then sometimes I do live with my husband and I'm like, why don't like every single Haitian people that's living outside of Haiti, if you either live in Chile, Brazil, the United States, like some places that you live, make videos and then teach people that's back in Haiti around the world. Yeah, exactly. And then especially when I moved to Japan, like you don't see a lot of Haitian in Japan.
Yeah, that's true. When we met each other,
exactly.
It was like, oh my God, you're Haitian. Yes, you're Haitian.
You don't see a lot of Haitian in Japan. And I'm sure like Haitian people wanna know a little bit about Japan.
Yeah.
They wanna see what Japan look like. So that's what pushed me to make YouTube videos so I can show the Haitian people around Japan.
That's good.
Yeah.
Well, guys, as you can see it, this is the EPIS that we made, and of course I'm gonna use. This is my favorite thing. Usually I do it by hands every day.
That takes longer.
Yeah. So now I could retire these little pilons. And I have my EPIS right here. So if you live in Japan, if you want to know more about the EPIS, just follow pretty
EPIS HAITIAN. Kiki say EPIS. Kiki Joseph. Hi Kiki
Joseph.
Joseph.
Kiki Joseph. But okay, you two, we're about to go, and I guess you could say the ending.
Okay guys, so as you guys can see, so c'était un petit process qui était vraiment facile. So, je vais vous montrer Vanessa comment pour te faire EPIS haïtien, vous comprenez? Il sorti à Haïti tout petit, so
Chanèl.
I from Chanèl.
And thank you so much for teaching me this, and it was great to be on your channel. Maybe you'll come on my channel and do something.
Sure.
Okay. So thank you.
Bye guys. Now we're on another video. Bye.